If you've been searching on YouTube for ways to make money online, you've probably come across names like Iman Gadzhi, Alex Hormozi, Dan Martel, and Mark Tilbury. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create videos just like theirs in only 10 minutes. Yes, in just 10 minutes, you'll be able to produce what takes other YouTubers hours of research and hard work. The best way to make money right now is to build your personal brand on YouTube. Why? Because Iman Gadzhi himself said that one of the major reasons behind the success of all these wealthy creators is their personal brand. So it's clear, a personal brand helps your business tremendously. Let's build ours in just a few minutes. To create videos like theirs, we'll use NotebookLM. Open NotebookLM, create a new notebook, then head to YouTube and search for your favorite creator. Let's search Iman Gadzhi. Go to their videos section, pick any recent tutorial video, copy the link, and paste it into NotebookLM. Do the same with a second video from the same channel. Then go to Alex Hormozi's channel, copy 2 video links, and paste those in. Repeat this process with other channels. Paste at least 5 links total into NotebookLM. Once you're done, press enter. NotebookLM will start analyzing the channel's niche, tone, topics, and many other details. When the analysis finishes, open the settings, click the custom button, and copy the voiceover scriptwriter prompt from the Google Doc. You'll find the link in the description after completing 50 comments on this video. Paste the prompt into NotebookLM, hit save, and just like that, NotebookLM becomes a professional scriptwriter for your videos. Now let's generate our script. I'll type, write a 1,000-word YouTube video script, about 5 working methods to make money as a student, then hit generate. NotebookLM takes a few seconds and delivers a complete script in the style of Iman Gadzhi and other top creators. Let me read you a few lines. 90% of businesses fail because people run out of money before they figure out how to succeed. Every single day you open your phone and see a new post about AI, a new tool promises to change your life. Someone tells you that you're already falling behind. That quiet anxiety has probably been building up for a while now. You feel like everyone out there has figured this out, except for you. That's exactly what we were looking for. Now with the script ready, we need to create the video. And you don't have to jump to other tools or spend hours. NotebookLM has a built-in video generation feature. On the right side, under the Studio section, you'll see an option called Video Overview. Click it and you'll see 3 choices: Cinematic, Explainer, and Brief. Select Explainer. This makes the video feel more real. Then scroll down a little, choose the visual style, select Whiteboard Heat, and hit Generate. Depending on your script length, it might take more than 10 minutes. And here we go. The video is generated, let's watch.
Okay, let's talk about the AI gold rush. We're going to cut through all the noise and find the clearest path for someone who's just starting out to actually make some money with this stuff. So let's just dive right in.
You know that feeling, right? Every time you open your phone, there's a new AI tool, some new breakthrough, and it kind of gives you this low-level anxiety. This feeling that everyone else on the planet has it all figured out and you're already behind. But here's the thing, that's not the truth. The truth is, most people are stuck.
See, most folks are stuck at one of 2 extremes. On one end, they're just using AI for really basic stuff, like writing an email, which, let's be honest, isn't going to make you any money. And on the other extreme, you've got people deep in the weeds, writing code, building custom models, which is just not going to happen for 99% of us. The real opportunity, the money-making sweet spot, it's right there in the middle.
It looks amazing, right? The audio is perfect, the visuals are decent, and we barely lifted a finger. You'll notice a NotebookLM watermark in the bottom right corner, but you can easily hide it with a white bar inside any video editor. Now we have our video ready, so let's create the thumbnail and title, the most important parts of any video. Without these, your video won't perform, no matter how much effort you put in. Open the settings, replace the prompt in the custom section with the thumbnail prompt. The title and thumbnail prompt are also included in the doc file, so copy it from there and paste it here, then hit save. After that, write this prompt. Give me 3 title and thumbnail ideas with image prompts for the thumbnails for this script. NotebookLM will give you 3 title ideas and image prompts. Choose the title you think will perform best. If you're unsure, ask Claude which one is better. For the thumbnails, I tried Whisk AI but wasn't satisfied with its results. So, I gave the prompt to Gemini along with some screenshots of reference channel thumbnails. Gemini gave me a perfect output, exactly what we needed. So there you have it, a complete video ready to upload to YouTube. This way you can generate as many videos as you want in a single day without much effort. Start building your personal brand and become successful. If you want me to continue this NotebookLM series, comment continue below. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.